Hi guys, today we have with us Shagun. Shagun, we want to know about your complete story from your college life to your final MBA college life. So, starting with the first thing, where you basically from and your academic background, which exams you took to come here.
I'm from Shahada. It's a small town in Maharashtra. I took exams like CAT and MAT and CET to get in here in the college. And also, I did my undergrad in BCom in Nasik.
Okay, so you got 91 percentile, that was the best score. So, I believe 80 plus is a safe score when you're applying to any
Yeah,
college.
right.
So, my first question towards you is, you coming from a small town. So, were you having any apprehension before joining the college? कि क्या होगा, कैसे होगा? Will I cope up with the Pune के बच्चे या
Yeah.
Bombay के बच्चे?
Yeah, even although I'm from a small town, but I everybody would have that kind of fear of how to cope up with people. How would I match with these people? Because I basically belong from a very small town. So, but the environment here is very friendly. The people are very friendly. The faculties are very approachable. So I mixed up here.
You make the well,
Yeah.
right, right. So होता है, हर एक को लगता है ये, because if a big town student coming, उसका बस एक ही concern है कि will I be cope up with the MBA environment or not.
Yeah.
But on the other hand, I also came from a small town in Amritsar.
Oh.
तो हमें तो पहले आके इंग्लिश सीखी यहाँ पे. You won't believe me. After during my MBA came to me, it's not America, it's America. Can you believe it? क्योंकि हमें तो वही सुना अमेरिका. So it was a little bit, but yeah, we cope up. So
Yeah.
people around you, if they are very cooperating, this and that, so you always cope up with
Yes,
that.
I mean-
So what kind of improvement you felt when you joined the college? So that from that girl to this girl.
I had a spark of this smartness and how to do things quickly, how to be swift,
Smart, how to be smart kind of
yeah,
thing.
how to match with people around you. Those guys are so smart. The people at Flame are so smart. So how to cope up with them, how to learn things from everyone.
So that you learned all
Yes,
those.
yeah.
So my question is very informal question. So were you always that you are smart as well? So were you always that smart? Your com skills were school में भी अच्छा था कि बाद में improve किया है?
I was good academically in school. But yes, जो एक smartness रहता है वो town में नहीं मिलता
Confidence
है.
वाला
Yeah,
जो आता
the
है.
confidence you get it when you shift to a city.
City, right? True, true. वो नासिक में आके हो ही गया होगा.
हाँ, Nasik, but Pune is a very different city from Nasik.
पुणे पुणे अलग जाए ये campus is totally
Right.
different on the other hand.
Correct, correct.
So when you say good academic record, you got a scholarship as well from the college.
Yes.
So what do you mean by good academic record? How much is a 10th, 12th graduation?
So 10th and 12th I got around 89 to 90 percentage, and in graduation I got around 8.9 CGPA, and also
So 999 almost,
Yeah,
so which is
yeah.
like the main.
I had a good
अब
academic
वीडियो हमारा ये
record.
खत्म करते हैं. 999 वाले लोग हैं, तो इनको स्कॉलरशिप नहीं मिलेगी तो किसको स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी? So that is so when you say scholarship, so what all they are checking? Are they checking only academic record, or if I have good academic extracurriculars or work experience, I can get a scholarship?
So basically, I had no work experience when I came here, but I really had a good academic record, and also I used to teach in schools to the children, basically social service. So yes.
So improve that way.
Yeah.
So I was really impressed with the campus. Yeah, we are right now in a library cum cafeteria combined together.
Yeah.
That's why you can hear the noise. So the college wanted us to clean out everything, but I want you to keep this kind of environment so that this is a lively environment of campus. So एक vibe जो होती है, that always help you improve yourself, get
Correct.
into more mood. Okay, coming to your PPO. So once you got a summer internship, so once the first year get over, you get a summer internship for 2 months.
Yes.
So वहाँ पे जाके मैं ऐसा क्या करूँ, which advice like to give कि मुझे PPO का ऑफर मिले या PPI भी मिले एटलीस्ट. So PPO is you get an offer at the end of the first year कि आपका प्लेसमेंट हो गया, और जिसको PPO आ गया ना, like game over, you know, you're chill, कि सारा वो stress
Yes.
level everything get over. Why you came to the campus?
Yeah, right.
So क्या आप 24 घंटे काम करते थे? What was the main
So
major
basically,
factor?
starting my journey, I had interview over here, and there were so many competitive people with 4 and 5 years of work ex, and I had 0 years of experience, and I was like, how would I get in there? So basically, I was the only one selected in BNY Mellon. I got in BNY Mellon, then I started my internship, and it was my first time in corporate, and it's such a huge company to fit in there, and I was only one from my college. It was difficult at first how to fit, and there were two projects I was assigned with. One was creating dashboard, and the second was risk related, money laundering related. So basically, I worked very hard. I worked for 24 hours a day.
worked for
I
extra
even
hours.
skipped. I even skipped my meals just to get the PPO. So yeah,
So hard work. It's a
yeah, it
typical story of
was,
hard work. You don't need
yes,
to impress the bosses.
yeah,
This is a hard work story.
yes, right,
Correct. So I always say that अगर PPO चाहिए तो you go beyond the call of duty.
right.
If they ask you to work for X, you are extra
have
ask
to
for
work,
Y also. कि
yes.
sir ये मेरा project खत्म हो गया, give me more work.
Right.
Otherwise, if you're not doing that, then it's very unlikely to get a BPO. Always
And
ask
also adding up to that, I was basically assigned with a manager. He was a team lead, and the vice president was very impressed by my work that he even asked me to create a dashboard for his team. So
Okay, wow.
a VP to ask just an intern to do work for his team is a very
Is a
big
very
thing.
true. So if we talk about the admission process at Flames University, so by the way, last date is approaching. If you want to apply, you can apply now. So what is the how I like the process because everything is online.
Yeah.
मुझे कहीं जाना नहीं है, कुछ नहीं करना. Suppose if you travel to Mumbai or Pune from any city in the country is very tough job. I would think twice. So how was your experience during that time?
I secured 91 percentile NCT. It was a decent score, so I thought of applying to Flame University. First, we went through essay round. So we have to write an essay,
Essays,
and
huh?
I vividly remember my topic was. Sorry, I forgot.
That's okay, no problem.
Is it?
So, essays is about this thing also, ना, your why this college, why
Yeah,
that. So,
yeah.
ये भी थे कि एक टॉपिक का भी ऐसे था.
एक टॉपिक पे था पर्टिकुलर
Okay, so
essay,
they
so
give
it
you
was
essay
on
that-
bitcoins and cryptocurrency and everything. So my essay was on that topic, and then
If
we
you
went
get an
through.
essay, sorry to cut you in, ChatGPT use मत करना because ChatGPT का language can be understood कि ये तेरा है ही नहीं, ये copy
Right.
मारा हुआ है. So please, and once you start talking, you're talking something else. ChatGPT you can take help from ChatGPT, but please write your own in your own language because then you are always comfortable.
Yeah,
Sorry.
but the essay it's proctored, so you cannot even use ChatGPT.
Oh,
You
okay,
have to
okay,
stay
okay.
on only
It's a
one screen.
online. It's a test kind of
yes,
thing.
Yes,
Okay,
test kind of thing. And then we had an interview. So that was the final round.
Great.
So then I get into film.
Then you got admission. Superb. All the best. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.